guys, it's me, Clubhouse Games here, and welcome back to The Wolf Among Us. Episode 1, Part 2. We're continuing where we left off, where we found the girl, not want to tell us her name, the woodsman was trying to go after her, and Beauty. We ran into Beauty. What the crap is that? We ran into Beauty, trying to hide from us. We don't know what she's doing, but we have to keep it secret from Beast. So, we're at the time we left off. With FaceCam still. Okay. Let's look at this guy. Who is this?
Hey, you Wink? Probably for the best.
What's this? I didn't wake him up. He's so tired. Let's see if we got any mail. Ooh. I left getting packages. Well, not really.
Been a while since I got any mail. Seventh day in a row.
I hate when I have a feeling when I'm supposed to get something and it show up. But, yeah. Ooh. Oh, it's a name tag.
Damn thing fell off again.
Right. I'm gonna go ahead and put this name tag on here. By the way, the outro is made by my sister's boyfriend. You guys
How much longer is this gonna go on?
I don't know. Let's go on the elevator. Open up. We're going up. Oh, who's that?
Bigby, hey, wait up. Have you seen my wife? Have you seen Beauty?
Nope, haven't seen her.
Oh, okay. Sorry to bother you.
Oh,
Damn it. Something's going on.
Died. Feel bad for Big B. Has to lie about all this stuff. It's like crazy. Alright, we're back in his apartment. Big Me's apartment. Fabletown. What?
Damn, should have cracked a window.
I was like confused at this part. Must be hot in there, is what it is. Looks a lot better what happened last episode. Or last part.
What a night.
Yeah, God. That was crazy. Let's go ahead. Ooh, what's in the fridge? Actually, the freezer. Ooh, ice.
Damn it.
Oh, it melted. God. Okay, let's open the fridge.
Why do I even own this? Should have got a smaller one.
Half and puff.
Bluebeard's file.
Here's Bluebeard.
Never trusted this guy.
I really don't understand how he's part of the character, but you know what I found out?
Never ordering that.
I'll let you guys know.
Probably a bad
if I
sign.
defeat him. So.
Should help.
Yeah. big old pig over here snoring away. Is he one of the pigs from Three Little Pigs. Let's go ahead and shake up the gas. No, work.
Oh, hey,
Sorry, I'm trying to get this. Take a
Big
seat.
B. I'm in your chair, huh?
Yeah, get out.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Got a smoke?
Oh my god.
Thanks. Couple thousand more of these, we'll be even on that house you owe me.
This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this.
The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay? You haven't been there.
Calm down. I'm not sending you back.
That for me?
Oh my
Nope.
gosh.
The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes? It also would have shown everyone how different you are now.
If that was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest.
I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you.
So, everyone hates me.
Nah, I'm just giving you shit.
I'm doing my best here.
Clearly that is not true, what with the selfishness with the bourbon. But, no, hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day.
I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past.
Well, you can't change people's memories either. Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands.
No, it's not mine.
Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
I was doing my job, believe it or not.
Your job is to beat the shit out of fables?
Oh my god.
Sometimes I take them to the farm.
Fuck you.
You think my job is easy? You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works?
I don't know. How?
By being big and being bad.
By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing. That's the attitude that gets you in trouble. I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight.
Not everyone.
Name one.
Toad.
Mr. Toad. Okay. How are his kids doing?
He was yelling at him.
Sounds about right.
I would say other girls, but I don't know her name. It'll be bad.
Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time. I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
Wait, that doesn't make
Just
sense.
give me a drink, please.
Colin, enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I... Look, if I give you this, will you let me sleep?
Yeah, all right. Probably.
Probably.
Thanks, Bigby.
Oh my. Oh god. Oh yeah, what's that girl's name? Whatever her name is. She didn't tell us, but she was supposed to come by. Okay, let's see if that's her. My god, she's a big archer. Oh, who's that?
Bigby,
Oh, I know
Snow?
who it is. I've played this.
come with me.
Snow! Hi, Snow. Snow White, by the way.
Snow. Snow!
What? Sorry, What is it?
What happened?
I just can't get into it this second. We need to hurry to...
Hi.
Hello. Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
What's this about?
These walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
What the crap? What the crap? What?
You knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right?
No.
Who was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown. She looks familiar.
Just a girl. We didn't have a whole lot of time to chat.
God, guys.
The woodsman. He attacked her, I stepped in. And he threatened to kill us both.
No, you don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
It's just... terrible.
So, who found her?
I did. She was just like this. I didn't touch her. I grabbed Grimble's jacket to cover her with. Then, I came to get you right away.
No one else was with you?
No. Big P, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on. I'll have a look around. We don't have much time before people will be coming through here.
Okay. Oh my gosh. What's the heck
What
is that? It's her ribbon.
It's her ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
Huh. I don't recognize it.
Neither do I. She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
Strange cut. What did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal. What do you want to do next?
We still have some time. I should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Let's walk over here. Oh. You can touch the blood. Oh my gosh.
Blood. Drops of blood. I'd say it's been here an hour, maybe?
I would not do that. Ugh.
Fabric. Looks like jeans. Doesn't tell me much. Just some loose trash. Blood. Still wet. Sharp enough.
Oh, let me check the time. What time I go down? Of course I can. Let me examine this real quick.
What are you doing?
Better to be thorough.
Sure, just hurry up. We don't have much time. We should move her before anyone shows up. We'll find out more at the business office. She'll be in the books. I'm sure of it. Bigby, do you have any idea what's going on?
This is a message.
A message? I don't know, Bigby. I get complaints at the office all the time, but just what about this makes you think that?
Whoever did this isn't exactly hiding it. The placement of the head, it's exact, purposeful. She was placed here precisely for us to find. All of us.
Well, yes. I guess you're right. The killer wanted us to know what they had done. I'm gonna have to tell Crane about this. As long as King Cole is gone, he's acting mayor. He needs to know. And he's going to find out anyway, so we may as well get out in front of it. It'll just be worse if he finds out we held it from him.
We should wait until we have more to tell him. Right now, all we know is a girl is dead. Telling Crane doesn't change that, and I've got all the motivation I need to find out who did this.
Oh my
That
goodness.
sounds reasonable, but I don't know. I'll think about it.
I just don't want him interfering.
Crane's not what's important right now. We need to figure out who this girl was so we can find whoever did this. Take this back to Dr. Swinehart. He can take a look at it. I'll meet you at the business office.
Good God. Well, I think we're gonna go ahead and end this here, guys. Oops, I clicked settings. We're gonna end this here, guys. Don't forget to press the like button. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Clip Plays IRL. And look out for more videos coming out with this series and the rest of the stuff on my channel, like the roleplay, Skyblock, and online minigames, Minecraft, Sims, Telltale Games, Productions games. So I'll talk to you guys later, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And actually, go follow me on Twitter at Clay Games and on Instagram at Clayplays Games. So I'll talk to you guys later, and have a wonderful 90% day. Bye, guys.